The 2021 Ford Mustang GT continues the legacy of an iconic American muscle car, combining classic design with modern performance. This iteration of the Mustang stands out for its robust engine, athletic handling, and impressive features that appeal to both enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Exterior design. The Mustang 21 retains the aggressive and sporty design language that has defined the Mustang for decades. Key exterior features include signature LED headlights and taillights. The distinctive lighting gives the Mustang a modern look while paying homage to its heritage. Bold front grille. The large, blacked-out grille with the iconic galloping horse emblem enhances its muscular appearance. Aerodynamic enhancements. Features like the sculpted hood, rear spoiler, and functional air vents improve aerodynamics and cooling. Interior and features. The cabin of the Mustang GT balances comfort with a driver-focused layout, featuring premium materials, high-quality materials and finishes throughout the interior, with optional leather upholstery. Digital instrument cluster. A 12-inch fully digital display provides customizable information and a modern touch. Synchronized 3 infotainment system. The user-friendly interface includes an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and available navigation. The heart of the Mustang GT is its formidable engine. 5-liter V8 engine, producing 450 horsepower and 410 pound-foot of torque. This naturally aspirated engine delivers exhilarating performance. Transmission options. A 6-speed manual transmission for purists and a 10-speed automatic for those who prefer convenience. Performance packages. Options like the Performance Package Level 1 and 2 add features such as upgraded brakes, suspension tuning, and summer tires for enhanced handling. Handling and ride quality. The car offers a blend of athletic handling and a comfortable ride. Independent rear suspension provides better ride quality and handling compared to older live axle setups.
Alright, so since we are around back of the Mustang GT, when it comes to opening that rear trunk, there is a button on the key fob if you wanted to use that. There's also a button located just above the rear license plate that's kind of hidden, which a lot of people don't know about if you don't own a Mustang, so I wanted to mention that as well. And there is a button by the driver's side left knee as well. But once opened up, cargo capacity comes in at 13.5 cubic feet for the fastback, a little bit less for the convertible, coming in at 11.4 cubic feet. If that was not enough space though, there is a 50-50 split, meaning the rear seats do fold down for actually a decent amount of space. I've actually fit 4 aftermarket wheels and tires back there with the seats folded down, which I then swapped out later on. So it is a decent amount of space, I will say that. As far as the rear legroom goes, that comes in at an even 29 inches for the fastback, a little bit more for the convertible, coming in at 29.2. So for reference, I'm an even 6 feet tall. There's really no possible way I could be comfortable back there, but maybe small children. I would see small children definitely being able to fit back there, but not a whole lot of space, to be honest. But
selectable drive modes. Adjust throttle response, steering weight, and transmission settings to suit various driving conditions. MagneRide damping system, available as an option. This adaptive suspension system enhances both ride comfort and handling precision. Safety and driver assistance features. Ford equips the Mustang GT with a range of safety and driver assistance technologies.
Premium, also aluminum foot pedals with the Premium. You do not get that with the base fastback. Premium door trim with the Premium. Go with that premium word yet again. Universal garage doors as well. Multicolor ambient lighting with the Premium. However, I will say there is an option that you can get it with the base fastback, as I did, and I love that ambient lighting. I essentially had everything green on the inside. It was stinking cool, so I do like the multicolor ambient lighting in this thing. But overall interior quality isn't going to blow you away, but it definitely gets the job done, and it's really what's under the hood that makes this car so stinking special. But
multiple airbags and a strong body structure contribute to occupant safety. Optional features: adaptive cruise control and a high-performance braking system are available for added security.
I know you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe.